This is the three-step framework that helps students who work with Active Life earn double what the national average is for personal trainers. I'm going to teach it to you right now. You can apply it and build the same kind of career for yourself, whether you ever become a client working with us or not. I'm Dr. Pastuch, owner and founder at Active Life, and this is something that we teach to our clients as a result of me experiencing it over 20 years of working with clients and patients in the real world. Let's get right to it. It's a three-step framework because there are three simple things that you need to have if you want to predictably be able to build a business that earns you more money with less effort than all of your friends. Now, it's not no effort. You still have to work, but it's going to feel like significantly less effort, and your friends are going to be saying things like, it's not fair, how did you get there so fast? What are you doing that I'm not doing? We're doing the same thing, and you're gonna be able to understand you are doing the same thing. It's just that you're doing it in this three-step framework, and they're not. And that's why you're successful and they're struggling. Let's get to it. The first of the three-step framework is that you need to solve a valuable problem. What is a valuable problem? We can't leave this as something that is out there in the Austin, Texas world of, you just gotta bring value, bro. You know what I'm talking about. Formerly California, currently Austin, Texas. You can't just bring value. We all bring value. What is a valuable problem? I'll give you a formula for a valuable problem. A valuable problem is something that when you solve it, they would not take 5x the cost as a refund if it meant that they got their problem back. So again, a valuable problem means that when you solve that problem for them, they would not take 5 times the amount of money that they paid you to solve the problem back as a refund. Imagine giving someone a money back guarantee that wasn't just you get your money back. It was you get your money back times 5. But you only get it if we solve the problem. Now think of it this way. Somebody comes to you and you're helping people lose 20 pounds. And it costs them $3,000 to work with you to end up losing 20 pounds. If you gave them back $15,000 and they had to take their 20 pounds back, do you think that they say, no, I'm good. It was worth $15,000 to lose 20 pounds? Maybe, maybe not. That's kind of one of those edge cases. If they want to PR their back squat, and you said, great, I'll help you PR your back squat, and it takes a long time to PR a back squat. So maybe it takes 6 months, and over those 6 months, they spend the same $3,000 with you. Do you think that they wouldn't give up their PR back squat for $15,000? I think they probably would, and most people would. So think of your problem through the framework of a 5x cost as refund. If you're successful, you're making them the offer. Your problem is gone. I'll give you 5 times what you spent with me to take it back. Will you take your problem back? If the answer to that question is not an emphatic, absolutely, definitely no, the problem that you solve is not valuable enough. At Active Life, we solve the problem that people are compromising on the way that they live as a result of chronic pain. So we help coaches help people overcome chronic pain that the medical system has told them they have to live with for the rest of their lives, and through doing so, get their life back. They get to go on the vacation they always wanted to be able to go on. They get to play with their kids in a way that they couldn't before. They get to experience the world in ways that previously felt off limits to them. When we ask those people, would you take 5x what you paid us to solve that problem to take the problem back, they emphatically say no. And they pay a lot of money for that kind of help. We're talking about $5,000 to $15,000, even $20,000 per case to our students to resolve that problem. That is a valuable problem. You need a valuable problem to solve. That's number one. But just having a valuable problem isn't enough. Because if you solve a valuable problem, but not a lot of people have it, you're going to have a really hard time finding the people. So the second frame in the framework is that there need to be many people with the problem. How do we define many people? It can't just be some esoteric, yeah, everybody's dealing with this. It's got to be real. I'm going to give you a simple way to know if a lot of people have the problem. The way to know if a lot of people have the problem is, does everybody who you know somebody who has the problem? Does everybody who you know somebody who has the problem? And you could even take that secondary and tertiary. So does everybody you know, everybody they know, do they all have the problem too? So everybody who you know needs to know at least one person who they can say beyond a shadow of a doubt has the problem that you solve. Everybody. We're talking aunts, uncles, cousins, friends, coworkers, not just the people in your gym bubble, not just your close friends. Everybody you know has to know somebody who has this problem. If they don't, not enough people have the problem for it to be the valuable one that you should choose. So this is where we go back to losing 20 pounds? Probably. There's a lot of people who have that problem. Would they take 5x back? Don't know. But a lot of people have it. We can look at PRing their back squat. Less than 1/10 of the people I know somebody who's been struggling to PR their back squat. And I've been in the fitness world for 20 years. So think about that. Do your parents' friends struggle with PRing their back squat? No. It's not that you want to work with your parents' friends. It's just an indicator of how many people have this problem. Is it something everybody is talking about? It's so common, it gets normalized. If it's not so common, it gets normalized. If you don't know someone who has it, who knows someone who has it, who knows someone who has it, not enough people have it. Your framework is off. We help people overcome chronic pain. We help coaches help people overcome chronic pain. In the United States alone, 1 out of every 5 adults suffers with chronic pain. 1 out of every 5 adults. That means name 5 people, one of them has the problem we're talking about. And as you get outside of your gym bubble, even more people have it than within your gym bubble. So it's a huge problem. It's everywhere. In fact, it costs the United States healthcare system more money than diabetes, more money than heart disease, more money than cancer, and more money than all 3 of those combined. That's how big the problem is. If you could help someone overcome their chronic pain, get back to their active life, it's extremely valuable. If you talk to 5 people and one of them has it, there are a lot of people who have the problem. Everyone you know knows someone with chronic pain. So check and check. This is why our students at Active Life are averaging twice the national average for income in less time per week than the average trainer in the United States. It's simple math. They follow this framework. You can too. The third thing is there should be few people who solve it. There should be few people who solve the problem. Now, when I say few people who solve the problem, what people in the fitness industry will often say to me is, a lot of trainers solve this. No. A lot of trainers also solve this sometimes when X lines up with Y lines up with Z. So for example, you may be a trainer out there who works with people who are overweight, and you've seen that when you help people lose 50, 60, 100 pounds, their back pain starts to go away, their knee pain starts to go away. You are not somebody who helps people overcome chronic pain. You are somebody who helps people reliably lose weight. As a result of losing the weight, they often also get out of chronic pain. But the thing that you lead with when you're talking to the potential client in the market, the prospects, is not the pain, it's the weight. So we're not talking about the thing that happens as a byproduct of what you do. We're talking about what you promised that you would do. Because even if you do help a lot of people overcome weight issues, for example, which often leads to aches and pains going away, just as often as it does, in fact, more often than it doesn't lead to the elimination of the pain. So we're talking about doing something reliably. There are few people who do it. Here's how you can know if there are a lot of people who do it or if there are a few people who do it. Do you know 5 people who have worked with somebody specifically on this problem? Do you know 5 people who have specifically worked with somebody on this problem? If you do, then the likelihood is there are a lot of people who solve this problem, especially if the 5 people that you're thinking about are not local. So take that thought experiment into play. Do you know 5 people who are not local to you who have all worked with somebody on this problem? Let's take weight loss, for example, because this is where weight loss runs into an issue. Everybody I know has worked with a nutrition coach. If I scroll Instagram and type #nutrition coach, they're everywhere. So there are a lot of people who solve it. Now, what happens when this is the case is supply and demand get out of whack. There are many people who have the problem, but there's also many people who promise to solve the problem, and frankly, oftentimes who reliably can. So what happens is the price to get that problem solved becomes commoditized. Because if I can get the same results from you as I can get from them, and they cost 50% the price that you do, and both of you are reliable about getting the results, most people are going to go with the one who's less expensive, even if you come with bells and whistles that they don't. Most people are looking over here. Over here, you have significant burden to overcome that require sales calls, that require marketing skills that this person just doesn't need. Their product sells itself. Their offer is too good. Yours isn't. So there have to be few people who solve the problem. Ask yourself, do I know 5 people who have worked with somebody on this problem successfully? Do I know 5 people? If the answer is yes, then there are a lot of people who solve the problem. If the answer is no, then there are probably few people who solve the problem. You don't know 5 people who are struggling with chronic pain who have successfully worked with somebody to resolve it. This is not what physical therapy does. This is not what chiropractic does. This is not what the medical system does. It is not what they're built for. So people deal with it. This is the people who say, I got a bad neck, I got a bad shoulder, I got a bad back, I got a bad Achilles, I got a bad knee. That's chronic pain. That's the sound of chronic pain. I have a bad. We train trainers to be able to help people overcome chronic pain to reclaim an active life. Valuable problem. A lot of people who have it. We got to check. We got to check. Few people who solve it. We have another check. This is why trainers, coaches who work with active life earn double the amount of money of their peers in less work hours per week. It's because supply is low. Demand is high. Value of the problem through the roof. And if you can reliably solve it for your client, you are going to be successful. You just need a process that can actually do it reliably, that you can communicate, that people can trust. So, whether you want to help people overcome chronic pain or not is your prerogative. You just need to know the problem that you solve is valuable enough that once resolved, your clients would not take 5x back as a refund to have their problem back. Criteria number 1. Criteria number 2, there need to be many people who have it, which means everybody who you know knows somebody who has it, and frankly, everybody who they know knows somebody who has it too. Finally, there need to be few people who solve it, which means you know fewer than 5 people who've ever worked with somebody successfully on resolving the issue. For us, it's a no-brainer. Helping people reclaim active lives through chronic pain resolution is the way that we go. It gets 3 checks. Our clients make double the national average. The results speak for themselves. You have to build your own 3-step framework if you don't want to do it with us. I'm Dr. Sean Pastuch. If this video was valuable for you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so I can make more content like this to help you and your friends build meaningful careers.